Good evening, I'm Narmatul Jannat. How are you? Hope you all are fine. I'm also fine, Alhamdulillah. Today I'm also here. Sorry, all the time the word today it's really boring, so I want to skip it. A few minutes ago I read English newspaper. I taken for that 30 minutes only, but I do this every day. What I do, I like to do that every day because regularity is a good habit in ourselves. So I was reading English newspaper. The newspaper was the Daily Star newspaper. So I'm reading English newspaper regularly from 3 months, and I can see the development in myself within a short time. So that's why I'm keeping myself regular for that habit. So and English newspaper is very important important thing. English newspaper carry news of the world, and newspaper provide information and basic knowledge. So English newspaper provides a country's information, country's information of education, recreation, sports, trade, commerce, and a lot of things. So that's why we can get a lot of information from newspaper. We can read English newspaper because English newspaper makes English newspaper increase the skills in English vocabulary, and I'm also getting the improvement by reading a newspaper regularly. Now I think I realized that day by day my skill of English vocabulary is are increasing. So we should read English newspaper because and do you know that from the day when Rajiv Ahmed sir told me to read English newspaper regularly, I'm doing that. And all the time I try to keep myself active in a DSP group all the time, and most of the time I like to active in a Search English group. But all the time I listen to Rajiv Ahmed sir because his guideline is honest and the best guideline for us, and he gives the guideline we can listen and maintain with without any cost and without giving a lot of time, and we don't need to take pressure for follow the guideline of sir. As like if you want to know about IT related any important things, what you want to know and what about you want to learn, then you can active in DSP group. You can search it that if you want to know from DSP group anything, we should try to read 100 posts from DSP group, and it's not mandatory. If you want, you can do this. It's not you don't need to take pressure. You can read little post. If you don't have ability to read a long post, you can read a short post. If you want to read a long post but you can't, then you can practice 10-minute you can follow a 10-minute practice post, which is a guideline of Rajiv Ahmed sir, from where you will get the 10-minute practice post for reading fast and writing fast. You can go to the website of Rajiv Ahmed sir. At first you will go to the profile of Rajiv Ahmed sir. From his profile you will get the website of sir, then you will enter the enter in the website. Then from the website of Rajiv Ahmed sir, you can get you will get a lot of topic, and from there you can see the link of 10-minute practice post. You will get 122 topic of 10-minute practice post, and you can read those posts written by Rajiv Ahmed sir, and you can start the journey of 10-minute practice post for by following the and it's also not hard thing. It's really easy. You can follow those freedomly, easily, and without take any pressure, and but you have to be regular. If you want to follow 10-minute practice post on any guideline of sir, you have to be regular, because irregular person never can get success anytime in any sector. So you can start the journey, a regular journey, by practicing presentation post, by practicing the 10-minute practice post, by following by reading 100 posts daily from DSP group, and you can do whatever you want. But if you are focusing, if you are giving focus on your study, on basic skill in Bangla or English language, you have to be active, and you should be serious, because I know, because I'm following, I know the development, I know the development in Bangla and English language. I know the development of basic skill in Bangla, because I am following the guideline for a long time of Rajiv Ahmed sir, but now I want to make my basic skill in English, basic skill strong in English. That's why I should be regular. But before 5 months ago, I was really super active, but day by day, for my sickness, I'm not able to follow. I'm not able to make myself super active, and I think that's I think that my super activity, now I'm missing my super activity. So I'm trying. I never give up. I'm trying, and I will never give up. All the time I like to study, and I like to work. I like industrious people, because I want to be industrious people. So thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Take care.